In this video, we want to solve some more problems on linear inequality. So let us consider the first problem. 3x by 8 greater than 39 by 8 minus 5x by 4, and x belongs to real. So find all possible solutions for x. Find all possible values of x. This is the question. Now to solve this question, let us free this inequality from the fraction. So here this is 5x by 4. Take the LCM on both sides. So this is already 8. Here when I take the LCM on this side, this becomes 39 minus 10x. Cancel it on both sides. I get 3x greater than 39 minus 10x. Take 10 on the other side. This is less than 39. And then I have 3x here also. This becomes 13x greater than 39. Because 13 is positive, so on dividing the inequality will not change. And hence x is greater than 3. So this is the solution for this. So for all x greater than 3, this inequality hold true. Now consider this inequality. Again take the LCM. This becomes 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 19 greater than x by 4. So just add these two quantity, or we may say 25 minus 21x. This will become 4x minus 1 by 15 greater than x by 4. We can cross multiply because 15 and 4 both are positive. So this will become 4 multiplied by 4x minus 1 greater than 15 into x. There is no change in sign of the multiplication. This will become 16x minus 4 greater than 15x. So we'll get 16x minus 15x greater than 4. 16x minus 15x will become x greater than 4. So this is the answer for the given inequality. And for all x greater than 4, inequality hold, because x can belong to real number. Now in the third problem, the given inequality is this. As we can see, and x is here in the middle term. So first I want to now look at this inequality again. This is 5 multiplied by x minus 2 less than 20. So first I will divide by this quantity, and we see that this is minus 5. So when I divide this by minus 5 to all this inequality, so the sign will get changed. So this will become 10 minus 5. Here I will get minus 2. It is greater than x minus 2. This is greater than minus 4. You notice here the inequality sign has changed. This has changed now because we have divided by minus quantity. Now this inequality is minus 2, x minus 2 greater than minus 4. Now take this minus 2 on the other side. So minus 2 plus 2 greater than or equal to, here it is x, minus 4 plus 2. So this will become 0 greater than or equal to x greater than minus 2. Or I may say minus 2 is strictly less than x and less than or equal to 0. This is the answer for the given inequality. Now in this problem, in this inequality, you can see in all sided we have x. We have x here, we have x here and here also. So let us write this inequality into two parts. One side it is saying 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 1. On the other side it is saying x plus 1 is less than or equal to 4x plus 7. So simply solve this 2x minus x less than 1 plus 3. This will become x less than 4. So we got x less than 4. From the other side we will take x minus 4x less than or equal to 7 minus 1. We got minus 3x less than or equal to 6. But now here I got minus 3. So if I now divide, inequality will change. This is minus 2. So now I got x is greater than minus 2 and less than 4. So when I combine minus 2 less than or equal to x and it is less than 4. So combine both sides, we will get this as the answer of the x. Now in the fifth problem, it says 1 by x strictly greater than 2. Now notice that 1 by x strictly greater than 2, it is already strictly greater than 0. This means 1 by x is strictly greater than 0. This is possible only when x is also strictly greater than 0. Because if x is negative, then 1 by x will be negative. And here we got 1 by x is positive. So this will not hold. So x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, so we can simply say 1 by x is greater than 2. And I can simply say cross multiply, or you can take this x upward and bring this 2 downward. So we can simply say x is less than 1 by 2 because x is positive. So this is the answer for the given inequality. It will simply reverse. Alternatively, we can say that 1 by x is greater than 2. It is greater than 0. So this means 1 by x is greater than 0, and so x is greater than 0. The same argument that I have just given here. In this case, because x is greater than 0, so simply reciprocate this quantity. So this becomes the answer. Because x is positive, so I can change the numerator to denominator. Now in this sixth question, 1 upon 5 minus 3x is greater than 2 by 3. And notice that 2 by 3 is greater than 0. So this means 1 by 5 minus 3x is positive. It is positive only when 5 minus 3x is positive. So from here we can see that 5 is greater than 3x, or I can say x is less than 5 by 3. X should always be less than 5 by 3. Keeping this in mind, now let us solve the range. 1 upon 5 minus 3x greater than 2 by 3. Now because 5 minus 3x is positive, simply cross multiply. We get 5 minus 3x. 3 is greater than 10 minus 6x. So take 6x on one side, greater than 10 minus 3. So x is greater than 7 by 6. So we say x is less than 5 by 3 and x is greater than 7 by 6. So we get the range as 7 by 6 is less than x less than 5 by 3. So that becomes the answer for the given inequality. Now in seventh problem, it says 1 upon 2 minus x is greater than 2 by 3, which is positive. 2 by 3 is a positive value. So we can see that 1 minus 2 minus x is greater than 0. This is possible only when 2 minus x is positive. When 2 minus x is positive, I can simply reciprocate this term. And why we can reciprocate this term? You can see that if I say 3 is bigger than 2, then obviously 1 by 3 is smaller than 1 by 2. So inequality sign gets changed. So here when I reciprocate this quantity, so inequality sign will get changed. So now you can cross multiply. We get 4 minus 2x is less than 3, and here we get 4 minus 3 is less than 2x. So 1 is less than 2x, or x is greater than 1 by 2. So we got x is greater than 1 by 2, and also from here that range we found this condition only when we have selected 1 by 2 minus x is positive or 2 minus x is greater than 0. From here we get x is less than 2. So we got now two quantities. X is bigger than half but smaller than 2. So this is the answer to the given problem.